everyone, welcome back. It's Scarlett. Today's video is going to be all about how to make money on TikTok as a pet influencer. I am so excited for this new YouTube series because I'm going to dive into how to make money on TikTok, what exactly I did to be able to get monetized in less than 3 weeks, and I'll explain all the differences between the creator fund, affiliate deals, and just overall making money on TikTok. So really you came here because you want to know how much money you can actually make with 10,000 followers on TikTok as a pet influencer. Now, before I go exactly into how much I am currently making with over 10,000 followers, I want to go into my specific account so you can go look for yourself so you know I'm not bluffing or making anything up here. Okay, so I had tried TikTok before, and honestly, to this date, I've been on it for months and only have about 44 followers. I thought, let's see if this is a niche specific thing. I went ahead and made a TikTok for my cat. I figured it would be really interesting because my cat is kind of a unique breed. He's a Manx breed with no tail, and he does a whole bunch of wild stuff all the time. But what I've discovered between my two TikTok accounts is that this account as a pet influencer, those videos go viral much faster. I'm making this video in 2021. So for all of you who may think that it is too late already to get into TikTok, it's not. I made my TikTok account in September of 2021, just literally a month ago. I uploaded my first video on September 18th. Now from there, my first video that went viral, I got tens of thousands of views on September 25th. So just a few days after I created my account. Now from there, I was able to get monetized through TikTok's creator fund on October 11th. To do the math, that was about 2.5 weeks or 17 days that it took from start to finish, from 0 to 10,000 followers. Now, all of you really want to know, if you haven't done research before, you want to know how can you get paid early on. The TikTok Creator Fund is essentially this massive fund of money that incentivizes people to make viral content. It isn't ads, so it's not putting ads on your TikTok. It literally is just paying you to create content that people will share and that is original. So to be a part of the TikTok Creator Fund, that is essentially being a personal account, meaning you can't be part of a business account. But this personal account will allow you to make money as an incentive for putting out original content. They want content that will make people share, that'll make people stitch and duet and essentially keep people on the platform. Now, if you are someone who wants to be a pet influencer, this is how you're going to start making money. What you need to do is, again, have 10,000 followers to start, and you need 100,000 views within 1 month. Now, of course, you want to know, how much money am I making with 10,000 followers on TikTok? So I'm going to put up screenshots on this page, but so you know, it is very inconsistent and it fluctuates literally day by day. My highest day so far has been a little over $9, but it's been averaging $4, $2, anywhere within that range. But really what you have to realize is you get paid for the views, right? You're getting paid for content that is going viral, content that people want to consume. Now, another big question that you, as someone who may be starting a new account, would be thinking is it really worth it to start a TikTok account to become a pet influencer? If you're someone who's looking to make a little bit of extra money, honestly, it is a fantastic way to make some passive income. Considering it took less than 3 weeks of posting 1 to 2 TikToks a day, I figured that is a pretty good deal to be able to make an average of $5 a day for free. Now, keeping in mind, that may be pennies for some of you, and you may be looking for hundreds of dollars a month. This is a great place to start because 10,000 followers is what you need to begin to get monetized and to get your pet out there. In addition, what was awesome was once I hit that 10,000, I actually started getting emails for free products. So this is a really awesome benefit of getting monetized also. I've seen people getting free gift cards and free products, and you don't need that 100,000 followers or more. Hopefully you found this video to be really helpful to get a good idea as to what you could potentially be earning right off the start when you get monetized as a pet influencer on TikTok. It may not be much, but just to know it could be a few dollars a day may be enough to get you motivated and keep you going. Thanks for watching.